Hello, assalamu alaikum friend, welcome to my YouTube channel How to Learn. Today we are going to discuss about very fantastic thing, that is a short link by which just you have to do copy paste by the link. You have to any link and you have to copy that link, then you have to make a traffic on that website, then you can earn the money easily. So we are going to do this thing, shorty.st. okay, so I click it here. Net is slow. Okay, so if you are going to join, so you click on join. If you are going to login, so you can click on login. I am going to click on login. Okay, so join method I will tell you later on in my other video. I have made the account on this, just I want to describe you. So friend, we are going to login this. I have put it here password and email. I am not a robot, so I have clicked here. Now I want to show you the proof, payment proof, that I have earned the $3.75 something. Still I didn't withdraw this. Okay, so these are saying fill your profile and you can take the earning $5. So I am about to do the $5 and I can get by the PayPal, and I want to show you that how it's work. And one more thing, they are saying that get 100 views, gain 100 views, then you will get the $1. So I want to show you how many views I have got it here. I have got it here 99 views. Okay, if one more view I will get, so I will get $1. So how we have to work, first I want to show you that come on any link, copy any link, then go to shorty.st and Control V and press the enter or this. Okay, this is copied now. Okay friend, then copy this and you can send on WhatsApp and something else. So I want to show you some proof. Before my dollar was $3.75 something, so I am going to show you proof. Let my internet work properly. So this is, I have copied the link, so I will close this and I copied this. Okay friend, so let's see by scrolling. Yes, you can see friend, at the starting my money was $3.75, now $3.79, and you can see that here is a 100 views I have got it. So what is the criteria of one view? If you will get one view, look at here, so you will get $0.04. okay, $0.04 you will get, and when you will get $2, then you will get more. I want to show you more proof. You can see 12 view, 3 view, income is this. And if you want to copy, and you can copy and paste, just you have to do the copy and paste. So this copying your URL you have to send to your friend from the WhatsApp, from the anything else. Okay, and if you have a YouTube channel, you can put on the inside area, okay, in the comment area you can do this. So they were saying that claim one reward and fail. So I am going to claim. Let's see, they will give me $1 or no. Successfully, the bonus will appear in your account coming soon. Okay friend, that thing they were saying that when you will get $100. So friend, you can get the proof here as well. I have got it $1. So it's very fantastic website. Before I have 0.00 something, but now I have got it this is proof, friend, and you can see by scrolling down. Okay friend, and if you want to do shopping and further thing, you can do by this. And this is a detail of my that when I got the 13 view, then I got 52, then less 32 on 8 views. Here is my detail, you can see this. So friend, I show you that on $100 you will get the $1 on 100 view you will get a $1. So I have got it this. I show you proof, this proof in the starting you can see, and when the my will complete it, so I can get by PayPal and Payoneer. So friend, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for getting any new update. Thank you for watching.